Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, in this episode, we're going to be looking at the CompTIA A+ memory acronyms, the foundation of IT hardware knowledge. I'll give you an easy to understand definition, and you'll be able to see right at the bottom of the slide which exam you're most likely to find this acronym. Let's get started. DDR, double data rate. Now, DDR is a type of RAM that transfers data twice per clock cycle on the rising and the falling edge of the signal. That means it's twice as fast as the older single data rate RAM. DIMM, or dual inline memory module. This is the most common RAM format used for desktop computers, DDR3, DDR4 and even DDR5, giving desktops the memory bandwidth they need for multitasking and performance. DRAM, or dynamic random access memory. DRAM is the most common type of RAM used in computers today. It is called dynamic because it needs to be refreshed thousands of times per second to hold data. Compared to SRAM, DRAM is cheaper and denser, which makes it perfect for main memory, even though it is a bit slower and needs constant refreshing. ECC, or error correcting code. Now, this is a type of memory that is special type that can detect and correct data corruption on the fly. It doesn't just spot errors, it actually fixes them automatically. This type of memory is essential in environments where data integrity is critical, like servers, medical systems, and financial databases. RAM, or random access memory. RAM is your system's temporary workspace. It stores active tasks and processes, allowing you to switch between programs quickly and smoothly. It's super fast, but not permanent. Once you power off your device, everything in RAM is lost. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more you can juggle, like editing videos while browsing the web and listening to music. SIMM, or single inline memory module. Now, SIMMs were widely used in computers during the late 80s and 90s, before more advanced memory modules came into play. What makes SIMMs unique is their single set of electrical contacts. Even though they appear on both sides of the module, they connect to the same circuit. SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module. This compact version of RAM is commonly found in laptops, small form factor PCs, and even some printers. Compared to regular DIMM, SODIMMs are smaller in size but serve the same purpose, providing memory for active tasks and system processes. SRAM, or static random access memory. Now, unlike DRAM, which needs to be refreshed constantly, SRAM retains data as long as power is supplied, making it faster, more stable. You typically find SRAM used in CPU cache because of its high speed, low latency. VRAM, or video random access memory. Now, VRAM is specialized memory used by your graphics card or your GPU to store image data like textures, frame buffers, rendering detail. If you're gaming, editing videos, or using design software, VRAM plays a crucial role in smooth, high-quality visuals. Now, that wraps up our memory acronym walkthrough on the CompTIA A+ exam. These terms are foundational for the IT support roles. Make sure you review them well. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video, which will be about mobile acronyms.